black Dodge pickup?
Yeah.
What's rolling west? Between Twin Bridges. Stand by for 28. Give me a black Dodge pickup. George Frank, David out of Palmer. You gonna stop today?
So why are we not stopping?
Returns on a silver ram.
It's definitely not silver.
I think that's the only warrant. Mark. That's your side.
All units. 24-1037, what direction to travel? Central westbound on 412 from the Twin Bridges.
Go up here, and then highway.
North on Hickory Flat.
10 for north on Hickory Flat.
Trailer parking. There's no outlet in here. We crashed through a fence. Or concrete field. Or through a fence on the field. Careful, I don't know about the terrain up here. There should be another fence up here you can crash it onto as well.
Which direction?
You're driving, I got the radio. If he'll turn around the field, we maybe come back out Wade if anybody's up there.
50's behind you.
Back through same fence. Back to Wade.
18, they're coming towards you. They're on Wade, hit south of 412.
We're headed back on the Wade now. He's back on the roadway.
Yes, sir.
Several fences to the south of the Wade.
Yes, sir.
Driving good. Look it out. Keep down to the ditch. I mean, he can make it back out. He's still south on Wade. Stuck.
We're showing you northbound on Wade, headed towards 412.
So we're northbound. We might be stuck in the snow. Receiving back up, getting come from them.
18, they're headed to your direction.
That's one that's worth on Wade.
They're going to come out across the street from where you're at.
He's parked over there, I think, turning.
Take him at a stop on the way. I don't know if he can make it all the way back to 412.
Yep.
Nothing.
Yeah, I think I can still hear the truck. I don't think he's made it very far from us. 10-4 on south on the way now.